back up and hit our traction hill. This is 40 degrees. Check that traction. Got the front facing camera right here. We can keep on track at the top.
Oh, nice.
There we go. It's the biggest hill we've ever had there. 30 feet up here. And 40 degrees down. We're in 4-wheel low right now. Yep. You got a couple 4x4 settings to put it in depending on the traction. So right here, gonna flex right over that brake over. You got solid axles, Dana 44s front and rear, and you have lockers front and rear. Gonna get a nice lean, show some articulation there. Better degrees on the screen. Very low center of gravity. 11.6 inches of ground clearance. It's good plex on the bottom as well. You can get in a diesel if you're looking for that option. This is a V6, 3.6 V6. Box shocks on it, nice and stable. We're just gonna flow right over this off camber. Easy as that. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.